budget, the recruitment frenzy. Whereas Article 10 of the Constitution...
Clerk, just give me a minute. His Excellency, the Governor, we still have a long way to go reading your charges. In the event that you're tired, you may take a seat. We don't want you to collapse while these charges are being read. Proceed, Clerk.
Thank you.
Allegation 1, abuse of office by improper use of his authority in recruitment of staff without approved budget. The recruitment frenzy. Whereas Article 10 of the Constitution on national values and principles of governance requires the observance of the rule of law, good governance, integrity, transparency, and accountability. Whereas Articles 73, 74, and 75 of the Constitution 2010 outline the responsibilities of state officers and the principles of public service